What's that?
Jinx. Wonder how this works.
Looks like some kind of phone.
Oh, look.
Spin it around, spin it around.
Stop.
Work. Yeah, it's heavy for me. What is the one?
Ah, that's so
heavy.
That's so heavy. Do you even know how to use that?
Hello? Hello?
Some kind of headbands.
I was thinking of headphones.
So sad.
Headphones that won't fit you.
Oh, shower.
It's a hammer.
What's this? You know what that is?
I don't know.
Oh, it goes down.
How do you dial?
Wait, I still don't understand. Whoever
There's
that-
no one picking up.
What? Do you even know who I'm dialing?
I don't know to you. Oh, what is this?
Oh, it's an iPhone.
This one's light.
Like, this one's very heavy. Yeah. So heavy.
And
so big.
And it has all your contacts.
Well, this one, I don't know. You don't know who you're calling. You just need to memorize. Let's dial our home number.
Let's see how long it takes. Done!
What? Kaka-start ko pa lang. Wow!
Ba't ang tagal mo?
Done! Tagal nun.
With this phone, you can talk anywhere.
But with this phone, you can only talk this far. Hello? Party line? Pakibaba po. Ginagamit ko po yung phone.
Hi, walang signal.
Cross line? Hello? Narinig mo ba ako? Hello? Ay no, marami naman nagsasalita.
Hay nako, lobat na naman ako.
Huh? Busy na naman? Sakta ng daliri ko. Ay.
Redial.
Hello? Ay, teka lang. Aray, sakta ng tenga ko.
Kurt, telebabad ka kasi. Buti na lang may speakerphone. Hello? Operator, I would like to make a long-distance call to London. Thank you.